guys, welcome back to my channel Miss Night Flash. My name is Muskan. For all you guys who are new here, I'm back from Cannes and my hair is like really colored right now. This video is all about hair care, but I just want to give you a little bit of context. So right before going to Cannes, I got my hair colored twice. The first time I got it done right like before my birthday, I think around my birthday. I thought this is what I always get done, like there was nothing new. So right before going to Cannes, I got more color added to it. Can you see the ashiness in my hair? I got this added because I wanted to like have more fun with my color. But with more fun comes a lot more damage because hair color damages your hair. It dries your hair out. I already have really like thin and dry hair. And I was so worried like, this is going to really damage my hair. But honestly, if you take care of your hair, then it's not going to be that bad, which is why today's video comes into the picture. So I don't know if you guys remember, but a few months ago, I did a review video on the Garnier Fructis Hair Food. I finished that tub. I really enjoyed it. But I decided to try a new variant in that, and I got the aloe vera one. This is the Garnier Fructis Aloe Vera Hydrating Hair Food, and oh my god, I love this. I took some with me to my trip in like a small travel jar, and I really enjoyed using it. I was like heat styling my hair so much. Back-to-back events, 3 days walking the red carpet, attending like these after parties, crazy lunches. I was getting my hair done every day and I was washing my hair every day. I was so worried that my hair is going to get really dry. But I'm so glad that I took this mask with me on that trip. It helped me so much. It kept my hair like so soft and smooth. So I like to use this hair mask every alternate wash. What a hair mask does is it is made to provide deep nourishment to your hair, which is desperately needed for my hair. The consistency of this mask is great. It is not too heavy where it is going to weigh down your hair. I just quickly want to tell you that this is completely vegan. It is 98% biodegradable formula. It is dermatologically tested, has vegetable oils, it has no silicons, no parabens and no artificial colorants. It smells beautiful. Like honestly, it smells beautiful. I can smell it on my hair. I used it today and I used it with the shampoo and conditioner from the same range. This is the Garnier Fructis Hydrating Aloe Vera Hair Food Shampoo. Again, this is a vegan formula. The packaging is recyclable. I love that. I see Garnier doing a lot for our environment and I am here for it. And this is also phenomenal to dry hair. So I like to use the deep conditioning mask every alternate use. But when I'm not using the hair mask, I like using the conditioner. So this shampoo is a very like gentle, clean, simple formula that you can use on a regular basis. You know, clean your hair and scalp really nicely. On days when I'm not using the mask, I like to go in with a conditioner. But on days when I desperately need that extra hydration and that extra nourishment for my hair, I go to my hair food. I think this is my current favorite hair mask. It is so easy to use. It is completely fuss free. I'm quickly going to show you how I use it, but I want to tell you that you can use it in 3 different ways. So you can use this as a conditioner, just like apply it and rinse it off, done. To detangle your hair, you can use this like a deep nourishing treatment mask, which is what I did today. So what I like to do is right after shampooing my hair, I took like a generous amount and applied it all over my hair from like here till the ends of my hair, and I let it stay for a minute. You're only supposed to keep it on for a minute, which is great because बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम वेस्ट नहीं होता है ये करने में. Just keep it on for 1 minute and rinse it off with plain water and you're good to go. The third way in which you can use it is like a leave-in. Take like a very small amount and rub it between your palms and apply it on the entire length of your hair, and you can just leave it on. This is going to help you control frizz. The ends of my hair usually look so dull and dead, but today they look so healthy and beautiful, and like you can see the shine. It's not even like I'm lying to you. You can actually see the shine. Like, can you see the shine in my hair? I used the macadamia one. I also tried the banana one in between, but I think this one is my favorite out of all the 4 variants that they have because I feel like this suits my hair the most. Mask is great if you have hungry hair like mine, and when I say hungry, I mean like desperate need of some nourishment. That is where the mask comes in, and I have been enjoying it so much. You guys definitely need to try it out, and this is so affordable. You get 390 ml only for 725 rupees. All the links will be in the description box below. Let me show you a little before and after of how my hair looked like yesterday when it was like really frizzy and dry, and the actual before, and you guys can see what my hair looks like right now. It's so soft. and it's so pretty and it's so like manageable, and I just like can't stop touching my hair. I wish you guys could like touch my hair through the camera, but it's like really soft and shiny, and I am enjoying this hair mask so much. So go check it out. All the links will be in the description box below. And that's all I wanted to talk about, guys, in today's video. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and I hope you guys got to learn a little from today's video about like how to not damage your hair. And if you damage your hair a lot like I do, then you can take care of your hair by using like really good hair products. I hope to see you soon in my vlogs. Like I created a lot of vlogs in Cannes, and also there's like one big surprise vlog coming for you guys. So stay tuned on my channel. Don't forget to subscribe. If you want to stay connected, hit the notification bell if you want to know when I put my Cannes vlog. And I'm so excited to be like sharing these things with you guys. And that's all. I'll see you super soon in my next video.